My people, my people, my people, my people, my fine people. Thank you all. Una do well for na subscribe. God go bless una. Anybody wey dey subscribe to my YouTube channel, God go bless una. Una do well for na subscribe, una viewer, una like. God Almighty will bless you all. Abeg make una subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make una subscribe. Make una support una sister. Make una subscribe. Subscribe so anytime I dey upload una go dey see me, no be only viewer, make una still subscribe because I get many things wey I wan do, wey I wan dey do for this video. Abeg make una help me subscribe this video, make una help me share and like and comment. Abeg make una do am for me, do am for your sisters. Abeg una make una subscribe to my YouTube channel. As una do so, God go bless una. So today's video no be to give advice. Today's topic is to take care of myself. So myself be say I wan show na how I dey do my own makeup, my own personal makeup, because me I like makeup well. I too dey like makeup. Anytime I dey go out, no be say I no use my real face, so I never make up. Na so my face just be. I never make up now. You know say no powder dey inside, nothing dey. So but I wan show na the kind powder wey I dey use, wey I know say e good for face. So I say I wan show my women wey dey do makeup. So if you wan do makeup, the kind of powder wey you go use, e go make your face look more young and fresh. You know see my face, no powder for years. So now say I wan show my women, if you wan buy powder, the kind powder wey you dey use, and wey you go dey rub, wey go good for your face. So make una dey very careful if una dey buy powder, you understand. So today I get the powder wey I wan show now. But before I start my powder, e get some cream wey I dey rub. See am, this one I dey first of all rub am for under the this thing. I first of all rub am. After I don rub the powder finish, after I don rub the this thing finish, after I don rub am finish, you know see am, I go rub am well, smooth am, so that e go make my face dey more smooth, so that the powder go dey smooth. Then me na, see am, na MAC na I dey mostly use. Me I like MAC dey good for face well. If you wan make your face dey smooth and e dey young every day, and you wan shine your face for your boyfriend, for your husband, go dey buy MAC. E dey very good for face. Na very good powder be this one. E dey good well. E no dey give you kro, e no dey give you any pimple for face. MAC is a very good product to use. So buy MAC, is a very good powder to use. They still get other powder, but for me I prefer using MAC product. So if you wan make it dey use MAC, just dey buy. But first of all, you start with this one. You use this one, and you go put am small. You put small, make not too much. No see am. You put small, because if e too much, e no good for face. No see am. You just put small powder. You put small. Make e no dey too much for your face. Just do am small. So if you wan know the number, make you subscribe, comment. I will give you my number wey I dey use. If you know say you wan buy the powder, you no know where you go buy am, write me comment. I will tell you where you go buy the powder. You understand? You no need to go waste your money. Just tell me. I will tell you where you go buy the powder. If you dey for obodo oyibo, or if you dey for my city where I dey, I go show you as e dey smooth. You know see am. It's very good to take care of yourself. You know see am. You go dey more smooth. How you see the powder? You know see am. You come fine well. You use phone. Make sure say you get something like this. This kind of phone good to the rub powder. See am, e dey good well. You go make your powder dey smooth. You go rub am well. You go make am smooth. You know see as e be. Then after you don rub this one, you come take MAC. This one, you come use one too. This one na MAC too. If you wan know where I buy this thing, comment down below and send me your, say abeg mama we need this powder, I go sell you. You know see am. And you go use this one. This one I buy am for Douglas. Make sure say you dey get brush like this to rub your powder. Make sure say you get brush. Anytime you no dey use a foam, because if you rub foam, you no go enjoy the powder. Make sure say you get this kind of foam. this kind of thing after the rub powder, say it dey very good. It dey very good to rub powder, don't see am. E go make your face dey smooth well, see am. Make sure say you buy this kind of thing anytime for a simple powder for yourself, see am. You know, see am. You can rub powder, you can buy am, you know, son, they rub your powder, dress yourself, you rub better powder for your face. After I don rub this one, after I don put this one for my face, I'll come take my eyeshadow, see am. I go put any color, I get different colors, but most color I like this color. I just put simple color like this. It go dey very easy. This one I buy am for Euro Spain. This one not too dey cost. If you buy am for there, you know the cost. You just go there, you go buy am. Then if you want put the eye pencil, like me now, I buy this one for Ipeco too. This one is Kiko product. You take and do eye pencil. You take am so it go lost for you. You go done like this. It dey very more easy. You no need to go spend money. Now this one na eye pencil. You know something fine? It dey very easy to put. You no need to say na eye pencil. You use your eye pencil and the liquid. You go just take am. You go take am put your face. You go take am do am. So after I don do all this, after I don do those things for my face, I don rub for my face. I'll come put. I get this one I buy for Kiko. Either you use the wet one or use the red one. So me na most I dey use the red one. You know Sam? So as I don go work today, I say make I do some makeup because I wan go outside. That make me today now. I say I want this my people, my friends, how they do my personal makeup. So you know see as e be. So very easy to make up. No too much. If you dey go outside, make up. Dress yourself. You go make up well. You know see as e be so. After I don do my makeup, I go use my perfume. I go spray like this. At times I don't too much dey wear earring. No be say I dey do yanga because I no dey used to earring, but at times occasionally I dey wear. At times I don't dey too much dey wear. So you know see my face. So I see my makeup. You don't see the makeup. I be to me the makeup fine. So my people, I not too much get what I want. I just say make I show them how they make up. I beg, make una subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe. Subscribe is free of charge. So very soon I will bring another good topic. Ogbonge story I go tell una very good topic. And I go not go like to miss that topic. It go come very soon. And they upload am very soon. It go soon come. So I beg make una subscribe. I just say make I show that this my face. The way they make up my face. Whether I see, make una comment that. If una want buy my powder or I want buy my product, make una comment that. So I go show the one I buy this powder. So my people, make una take care, yeah. See you in my next video. Bye. So make una wait for my real topic. They come very soon. Bye.